Welcome to all. Let us continue to solve some more problems. So here I have considered another example for 3 marks. See, before going to solve this problem here, see this problem may be asked in part C. So it has been asked 2 or 3 times and it carries 3 marks. So it is slightly lengthy problem. See here, if tan inverse of x minus 1 divided by x minus 2 plus tan inverse of x plus 1 divided by x plus 2 is equal to pi by 4, then we have to find the value of x. So here the idea is we have to use the formula tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. So in the right hand side they have given pi by 4. See this tan inverse of x means instead of x we can write x minus 1 by x minus 2, and instead of y you can write x plus 1 divided by x plus 2. So you need at least one page to write it neatly. So write all the steps one by one and do all the rough work separately. Don't mix it here. So I will show the rough work here. So here space is not available to write all the steps on the screen. So I will write one by one. So you write it neatly in your notebook. Okay, let's use the formula. So you have to write the formula also. So what is the formula I am going to use for this? So we know the formula is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus x. See, I am going to use this formula. So instead of x, we can write x minus 1 by x plus 2, and instead of y, we can write x plus 1 divided by x plus 2. So you have to write this formula in the first step. Then go on substituting the values of x and y. So you write the formula separately. So let us do the problem here. Okay. So given tan inverse of x minus 1 divided by x minus 2 plus tan inverse of x plus 1 divided by x plus 2. See here, right hand side is pi by 4. This is given in the problem. So we have to use the formula. So you write the formula. So I will apply the formula in this step. See, you observe every steps carefully. So I am going to delete it in the next step here. See tan inverse of. So I am applying the formula here. Tan inverse of what I should write? X plus y. So x means I write this whole thing here. X minus 1 divided by x minus 2, x plus, so y means second term is x plus 1 divided by x plus 2 divided by 1 minus, so x means x minus 1 divided by x minus 2 into x plus 1 divided by x plus 2. So in the right hand side, so that is pi by 4. So we have to write the right hand side pi by 4 as it is. So this implies tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus xy is equal to pi by 4. See, before going to the next step, let me explain it here only. So what I will write in the next step here is, see tan inverse is there on the left hand side here. So I will shift this tan inverse to the right hand side. Then that becomes what? Tan. So tan of pi by 4. So my right hand side will be tan pi by 4. And inside the bracket, I will write this all quantity as it is. So that I will show in the next step. Understood? Okay, I will go for next step. So I will bring tan inverse to the right side. So then I will get that is, so let me write that numerator x minus 1 divided by x minus 2 plus x plus 1 divided by x plus 2 divided by 1 minus, see x minus 1 divided by x minus 2 into x plus 1 divided by x plus 2. So the tan inverse comes to the right hand side, that becomes tan pi by 4. See this tan of pi by 4. Okay, So you write the steps neatly. So do all the rough work separately. Don't combine here. So I will show in the next step here. See, in the right hand side, tan pi by 4 means I can write the value as 1. So right hand side becomes 1. So what about the left hand side? So left hand side, so we have to take the LCM both in the numerator and denominator. So I will show that here. See, for the numerator here, x minus 2 and x plus 2 is the LCM here. So that is, so I will write it in the next step. So that is, so let me put the bracket here. See, denominator is x minus 2 into x plus 2 is the LCM. So in the numerator here, okay, denominator was 1 minus, see, x minus 1 into x plus 1 divided by x minus 2 into x plus 2. Then right hand side becomes what? 1, because tan pi by 4 is 1, tan 45 is 1. See here, I have not written anything in the numerator here. See, x minus 2 into x plus 2. So let me write that as, see, what is the terms here? See here, x minus 1 into, so that x plus 2 plus, so taking the LCM here, plus x plus 1, see, x plus 1 into x minus 2. So this whole thing is the numerator here. So let me write it again here. X minus 1 into x plus 2 plus x plus 1 into x minus 2 whole divided by x minus 2 into x plus 2 in the denominator. See here, x minus 2 into x plus 2. So this x minus 2 into x plus 2 means, see, x minus 2 into x plus 2 means, so this is a minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square. So that will be what? A square means x square minus 2 square means 4. This denominator becomes what? X square minus 4. So similarly here also x minus 2 into x plus 2 is there. If you multiply that, we get x square minus 4. So what I should write in the next step? So I will write it in the next step here. See, instead of this I will write x square minus 4. So you have to write all these things separately. So I will show here. See here, x minus 1 into x plus 2 plus x plus 1 into x minus 2 whole divided by, this is x square minus 4. So whole divided by, so this see here, right hand side is tan pi by 4, that is 1. Okay, right hand side is 1. So you can write implies here. Then what is the denominator here? See, denominator was 1 minus, see, in the denominator, so we had x minus 1 into x plus 1. Okay, see, x minus 1 into x plus 1. So if you multiply that, similarly a minus b into a plus b, you can use the formula a square minus b square, that will be what? X square minus 1. So this becomes x square minus 1 divided by, denominator is same thing, x square minus 4. So I add x minus 2 into x plus 2, that will be x square minus 4. So this must be your next step. Okay, so you observe here, you have to simplify all these. So you have to multiply these two terms. Then in the denominator I had x square minus 4. Okay, so now I will write the next step. So before going to the next step here, so observe the denominator. So I will simplify all the terms and let me show it separately. Okay, then afterwards we can write the steps. So up to these steps you have to write it neatly. Okay, now I will simplify this and I will consider this denominator here. So afterwards we can write the step here. So what is the LCM for denominator here? See, LCM will be what? X square minus 4. Okay, so I will write it in the next step here. So what was the denominator? So let me take that here. See, consider the denominator here. Denominator was what? 1 minus x square minus 1 divided by x square minus, see, you have to write it separately. Okay, LCM is x square minus 4. So this is 1. So here 1 is there, multiply by LCM. I get what? X square minus 4 minus of, see, this x square minus 1, I will write it as it is. Then I can write this as x square minus 4. So I will remove this bracket here, minus x square. So minus into minus plus 1 whole divided by x square minus 4. So this minus x square plus x square get cancels, and this minus 4 plus 1, it will be minus 3. So the answer is minus 3 divided by x square minus 4. So minus 3 divided by x square minus 4. So this is my denominator. So you note down this, minus 3 divided by x square minus 4. Okay, so next I can continue in the next step. So what I got was, so this is equal to, this is implies, so our numerator was, let me write that step again here, x minus 1 into x plus 2 plus x plus 1 into x minus 2 whole divided by x square minus 4 was there. So we have simplified the denominator there. We got minus 3 divided by x square minus 4. So this whole thing is in the bracket. So in the right hand side we have what is equal to 1. So I have simplified this denominator. So I have written here. Okay. Then we can cancel this denominator. So then these terms will be left over. Then in the denominator I can get only minus 3. So that I will write in the next step. So that is, so what I got was, see, let me write it again, x minus 1 into x plus 2 plus x plus 1 into x minus 2 whole divided by minus 3. So right hand side is, that was 1. So we have to multiply these terms. Okay, I will show it separately. So I will simplify this one. So now consider this x minus 1 into x plus 2. So we can multiply this. I get x square plus, see, 2x minus x. You have to do it here. See, x square, I will write it as it is. Then 2x minus x is plus x minus 2. So this one is x square plus x minus 2. Then I will consider this multiplication. So you note down this one. Then you can multiply x plus 1 into x minus 2. So that is, consider x plus 1 into x minus 2. So I will get x square minus 2x plus x minus 2. Then this x square, this minus 2x plus x is minus x minus 2. So I got this answer. So we have to substitute both this in the numerator. So that I will write it here. So what I got was, see, x square plus x minus 2 plus x square minus x minus 2 divided by minus 3 is equal to 1. So right hand side we have 1. So then we can write in this step here, see x square plus x square, that is 2x square, then this minus x plus x get cancels, then minus 2 minus 2, it will be minus 4 divided by minus 3 is equal to, we have what, 1 on the right hand side. So next we have to cross multiply this, minus 3 into 1. So next step, minus 3 into 1, right hand side will be minus 3. So that I will write it here. That implies 2x square minus 4 is equal to, so minus 3 into 1, that is minus 3. So we have to solve for x here. 2x square is equal to minus 3 plus 4. So you bring 4 to right hand side. 2x square is equal to 1. See, x square, I want only x here. So x square is equal to 1 by 2. So I want only x. So x square is equal to half. Then I get what? X square is equal to half. So x is equal to square root of 1 by 2. So I can write plus or minus. So plus or minus 1 by 2. So that is x is equal to, so here I got plus or minus square root of 1 by 2. So square root of 1 is 1. So then root 2 I can write it as it is, plus or minus 1 by, see, root 2. So this is the value of x. So you have to do all the simplification in the notebook. So x is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 2. So this is the value of x here. Okay, see here, find the value of x. So x is equal to plus or minus 1, we got x is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 2. So this is a question carrying 3 marks. Okay, so practice it correctly and do it neatly in the notebook.